Please comment good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Look at that. Look at what I bought today, bro. Can you see this? This is not a joke. This is my new box. My new box is here in front of you. Look at that. This is from Mtn. Can you see this? Do you believe this? Wow. This box is so beautiful. Good design. So beautiful. Do you like it? Look at that. More information about this. Wow. And today I'm ready to make the unboxing. The unboxing with you all. Are you ready? Get ready because I'm ready. Don't forget to like and share. Wow. Okay. Let's get started. Wonderful. I bought this router today because I'm looking for better internet connection. A better want the best speed internet to upload videos, download videos, but this is something difficult in my country right now. I don't know why. First thing is maybe something that I can use to fix all of this problem, but I'm not sure. But I can try. I put so much money into. Now, look at. Okay. Let's see more information about this. This is Zlt P21. Okay. And okay. You can see this is for you can see first for telephone, computer, internet, your phone, tablet, or not computer. Okay. Now let's try to open this. Okay. Before look at the first informations. You can see LTE Cat 4. Okay, I have battery into 5-hour battery life, 2020 and 200 milliampere. This is Lion. This is my first router with battery. Let's open. Okay, as you can see, still open. Wow, look at the box. Nice. Welcome. I have to ask you more information about this. Okay. And this telephone 1, telephone 2. Okay. You can see there are battery inside. This is the battery. Okay. This is cool. I have not tried this. Okay. Look at. Okay. You can take this thing like that. As you can see, it's very new, very new. You can see 2021. Okay, nice. Look at the design is very beautiful. This is for antenna. This is for your SIM card and something else here to reset your device. You can see waves reset WLAN and power button to make all of this on. Can you see this? Okay, this is not a joke. This is network signal and so much 4G LTE. Okay, nice. Stay here because you are so nice. And what in this box? I have also this is an internet cable jack. How to call this? Okay, thank you. Now I have all of it. All of this, so much informations. All information you need to know about this. Okay, and more. I will read this after. Now I have something else into this box, but what? I have this charger. This is the new charger. Okay, as you can see, everything is new here. New charger. The charger battery. Okay, stay here. And where is the antennas? Antennas. Okay, antennas are here. Okay, we're going. This is the antennas. Antennas are here. Can you see this? Is it working? I don't know, but this is antennas. Nice. Great. You can turn, move. Nice. Number one. Again. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, this is what you will see in the box. All of this. Now, what is happening when you turn on this box? What is happening? You can click here. Okay, you hold and look at what is appear here. Put this here in this table and look at fat. You can see battery here. No signal yet. Oh, I think that they are not batteries to charge it. You need to charge it. Charge your device. Charge your device. Okay, I will charge this now. I have this antenna 1 and antenna 2. Take one of this and put this in 2. Like that. Can you see this? Okay. Okay. This is cool. Antenna is very small, Baba. Very small antennas. And good direction. Now look at how it looks like. Look at that. Can you see this? This is something very different than what I use every day. Wow, it's so different. Can you see this? Can you see this? Nice. Okay. Cool. Good. Can turn off like that. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Okay. Good. And this is my new router. Beautiful. I need to charge this router and well done. This is all of this. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click and share and get with you for more videos. Okay, thank you for watching.